Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, coming to you from Dragonfire Tools Studio.
Welcome back to Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. If you're getting replacement headlights, there's a lot of them out there, and a lot of them fit the OEM specs, and those are kind of run-of-the-mill lights here. But at Unique Style Racing, Eric, you guys are not run-of-the-mill. How are your lights different than the others that are out there?
Our lights stand out from the rest because we have a concept that we try to keep the lighting packages very OEM-like. We want to make sure that your vehicle is able to retain the ability to say, hey, I'm a BMW. Unfortunately, a lot of the competitors right now are providing you lights that you clearly, after installation, see don't belong in that vehicle. Our job here is to try to hopefully provide you an alternative to when people look at your car, they know it's a BMW, they know it's a Toyota, they know it's a Chevy. We want to give respect and pay its dues to the makers of the vehicle and our enthusiasts.
Just wanted to mention that you guys take care of everything around the vehicle. You've got reflectors, marker lights as well, and I know that the front turn signals come in orange on most vehicles. You guys offer a clear and a smoked, all DOT approved and all geared to make the car look great. Marshall, you guys are a small shop in Southern California, but that doesn't mean that you're a fly-by-night operation. What kind of components are in these lights?
So on these lights, we tend to use Phillips and Osram chips, which are really high-quality performance parts that are used even on OEM headlights. So they're really well known. That's why the output, as you can see, is really bright. The lumen on these for the daytime running lights is 900, which that's a little bit brighter than your standard ones. Your standard ones tend to be from 600 to 700, so 900, it gives you a really awesome bright look that everyone loves. So your low beams are 1200 and high beam is 1800 lumen, which that's kind of more of the factory standard because as we mentioned before, these are DOT SAE certified, and you need to go through all those regulations to make sure it's street legal and you're not blinding people and you're not getting blinded also when you're driving.
Makes sense, makes sense. So you can see and be seen even better than with the OE lights.
Exactly.
And what about installation?
Installation is really easy. It's plug and play. Since this car actually comes with factory halogen and we upgraded to LED, it does come with some side resistors that you just zip tie to the side. But regardless, besides that, you don't have to tap, you don't got to splice no wiring. Your harness, you just plug it in directly to the headlight and you're good to go.
With Unique Style Racing, you can see and be seen, and oh, by the way, you can be seen looking even cooler than with an OEM headlight. Find them at uniquestyleracingstore.com. Now, no doubt you've seen cab lights on the road on a semi-truck, maybe a big pickup truck rolling down the highway. Well, until now, putting those lights on your truck means drilling a whole bunch of holes. Those holes can lead to rust and corrosion, mold and mildew on the inside of the vehicle, but not anymore, thanks to Cab Over America. This is the first solar light out there that saves you time and money, saves you from drilling all those holes, saves you from all those issues. These solar lights are super bright. They have a lithium-ion battery inside. It gives you a ton of run time, and with Cab Over America, you have 3 choices of lens color here. You have the amber, you have the gray, and you have the clear. They all look fantastic, and I bet you're wondering how they stick if you're not drilling any holes. Well, they use 3M tape. It's not just any double-sided tape. This is the kind of stuff they use in RVs, in automobile construction, and they're waterproof. They're going to hold up for a long, long time. If you get a kit from Cab Over America, the clearance light kit includes 5 solar-powered cab clearance lights, the amber, the smoked, or the clear lens options, of course, a custom cloth measuring tape so you can space them out correctly on your roof, 4 3M sticky pads to place that measuring tape, and some black and chrome remote key fobs. You can turn them on and off from inside the cab whenever you need to do that. Once again, these look great, but it's not just about style, it's about safety. It's about being seen out there on the road. Installing these couldn't be easier. You just stick them on. Not like the old days where you had to drill a bunch of holes and run a bunch of wires. You can find these lights at caboveramerica.com. They're going to make your truck look great, and they're going to make you a whole lot safer when you're out on the road. We'll be right back with more Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. We'll keep a light on for you.